Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been recording your calls on your iPhone and you now want to delete them, you're in the right place and you're on the right video. So, in this video, I'll tell you how to delete your call recordings step by step. So let's get right into it. Since iPhones don't have a built-in recorder, you're likely to use third-party apps like Tape a Call, Ref Call Recorder, Google Voice, Call Recorder Lite, like all those apps which you use because where your calls recordings are stored. So once you know the app, open it up on your iPhone. Most call recording apps have a library or recording list where all the saved calls are stored. So find the specific recording you want to delete. Most apps allow you to swipe left to delete, tap and hold, and select multiple recordings. Use a delete button inside the app. These are all the options which you can use to delete your recording. After selecting the recording, tap the delete button. Some apps might ask you to confirm the deletion. Just tap yes or confirm to proceed. Some apps have a recently deleted folder, meaning your files aren't gone yet. To permanently delete them, go to the trash or recently deleted section. Select the recordings again and tap delete permanently or empty trash. If your call recordings were backed up to iCloud or saved in Files app, don't forget to check there and delete them from the storage. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.